It's cold, just cold, into the mountain hole. Nice.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will going to show you how you can create this Instagram trending reel in your Instagram. So let's get start this tutorial. First of all, you have to open your Instagram, go to the plus option, go to the story option, and you have to swipe right side. Then you will find your search option, then you have to click it out, and you have to search your one effect name. That name is evolution. You will find lots of effect here. First effect is a real effect. You can click here. By going to save this effect, you can save it. By going to try it, you can click to the try it option. Like this you can use this Instagram trending reels. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. You will get like this video always in this channel.